Hello YouTube, I wanted to make a video about this Speed Queen washer. There's the model number, and the problem with this was it doesn't want to spin, and what we have here over here is a out of balance switch, and that comes over here to this motor control board. And it's a normally closed switch. So you can see here, we've got continuity there. What happens is that switch gets wet and then it starts conducting to ground. So I had that problem, and I would get continuity to ground. And so I took it apart, cleaned it out, and I no longer have continuity to ground, but this is supposed to be 300k ohms where it connects to the board, and I was told that if the switch gets wet that it can ruin the board. So I've dried the switch out, make sure I don't have any continuity on the normally closed switch to ground, but now I don't have any resistance here, it's infinite. So that means I'm going to be getting a new board. And if you call this number, they were very helpful in telling me that this is a common problem. So you might try this. I ordered a board and we'll see what happens. But if you run into this, you might call this number and get your washer fixed. Bye.